Hi, once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the ROG Aura monitor light bar. I'd like to give a shout out to the guys at ROG for sending this over. With that said, all opinion in this video are ours. If you're in the market for a light bar to help you reduce eye discomfort, brighten up your work area, then this should be under your radar. The ROG Aura monitor light bar comes with a patented clamp that helps you fit this to a wide range of monitors. Also comes with a USB Type-C and RGB lighting as well. So I'll be unboxing it and showing you guys what comes in the box and actually test it out to see what it looks like. So basically this is what the box looks like, and you have some diagram at the back, and that's what it looks like back here. So I don't think I need a table to unbox this. This is what you get in the box. So this is the light over here and a couple of accessories on the side. So first things first, this is what the light bar looks like. And you have your ports behind here. Also you have your on switch for RGB controls and your light controls on the side over here. And the next thing we have in the box here is USB Type-C cable and your instruction guide. Put that on the table. Finally, we have the light bar clamp. It comes with a precise dial to help you adjust and fit this to a wide range of monitors. This is what that clamp looks like. That's what it looks like, and that's the dial. As you can see, turning the dial pushes the knob forward so you can adjust it. Also comes with a magnetic clamp over here to adjust and adapt this to your monitor. So that's what it looks like all put together, and make sure your USB Type-C port is visible at the back over there. So I'm just going to mount it on one of my monitors right here, and let's see the Aura in action. So this is what the ROG Aura monitor light bar looks like installed. I have it installed on my Asus gaming monitor right now, and you can see how much it brightens up the work area. Also, don't forget to grab the display widget application. This is where you can fine-tune the settings for the light bar. Then you have some already preset modes you could choose from. You have reading, you have gaming, night view, theater, music, and custom modes. Also, for the Aura light behind the light bar, you can choose what you want. If you want it to be static, if you want it to be breathing, strobing, cycle, and standard RGB colors you could choose from. You can increase the brightness from here. Let's go to gaming. Currently the brightness is at 20%. So if you want, you could increase it if you want it. This is how bright it gets. You can also fine-tune the color temperatures. All these settings can also be fine-tuned from the light bar itself. So I'll show you the back so you can see what the RGB looks like. So this is what the RGB lighting at the back of the light bar looks like, and I currently have it cycling between color modes, and this is what you would see. So that's it for the unboxing of the ROG Aura monitor light bar. If you're in the market for a light bar that's practical to use, comes with a ton of features, then I suggest you check them out. Once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. Thanks for watching.